I wanted to give you a little sneak peek on my painting process, and particularly on a tool that I'm using when I'm painting. So I'm currently working on 2 abstract paintings that I often work on 2 different paintings at the same time with the same palette, because it helps me to move along and to get unstuck if I get stuck in one of the paintings. So I'm building layers on this, far from being finished. But what I wanted to show you is that I have always next to me a pad where I basically clean my brush from leftover paints. And this is for some reasons. One is that I don't want to waste paint. For me, because paint is expensive, but also for the environment. I'm trying to really minimize the amount of paint that goes in the water jar. And I try to use it on a piece of scrap paper or a notepad. This is a notepad. And also because these can then become the base for another painting or pieces of collage paper that I can reuse, so nothing gets wasted. And I love doing this because it really makes me feel good about not wasting, and also taking a little bit better care of the environment. And another reason to use the scrap paper or notebook for your leftover paint is that sometime when you are just really freeing yourself and just playing with paint, and in this case just really splashing paint on a piece of paper, you might come across something that the paint does that you did not expect. So for instance, this area I absolutely love. So it's also for me a way to really explore, make mistake without any expectation, and see what the paint does and really discover new things. So it's really a cool tool to use.